Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious pie. We'll start by gathering all your ingredients and tools. Then, we'll focus on creating a perfect, flaky crust, which is the foundation of any great pie. Next, we'll explore various filling options, ensuring they are flavorful and well-balanced. Finally, I'll guide you through the baking process, so your pie comes out golden brown and absolutely irresistible. Let's get baking. A truly great pie starts with an amazing crust. The secret to flakiness is using very cold fat, like butter or shortening, cut into small pieces. Mix your dry ingredients with the cold fat, then add ice water slowly, just until the dough comes together. Avoid overworking it. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes. This helps relax the gluten. Then, roll it out evenly to about 1/8 inch thick for a perfect base. Now for the heart of your pie, the filling. For fruit pies, always choose fresh, ripe produce for the best taste. You'll need a thickener, like cornstarch or flour, to prevent a runny filling. A good rule of thumb is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch per 4 cups of fruit. Don't forget to balance the sweetness with a little acid, like lemon juice, to brighten the flavors. Make sure your filling isn't overly watery before it goes into the crust. The final step is baking your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Start baking at this higher temperature for about 15 minutes, then reduce it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit to finish. Bake until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. This usually takes 45 to 60 minutes total. It's crucial to let your pie cool completely on a wire rack before slicing, allowing the filling to set. Enjoy your delicious homemade pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.